Hi, my name is Thomas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Emperor's Vigor Tonic before you actually buy it. The pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Emperor's Vigor Tonic is only sold on the official website. Because of the high demand, many people are getting fake versions without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and keep you from getting the results you're looking for. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Emperor's Vigor Tonic, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Emperor's Vigor Tonic has helped thousands of men, and it can help you too. After years of research, experts developed a 100% natural formula based on traditional Chinese medicine, using 11 powerful ingredients like dodder seed, wild yam, cistanche, Rehmannia radix, schisandra, and others trusted for centuries to support male vitality. These ingredients work together to improve blood circulation, restore libido and stamina, support natural testosterone production, and boost overall energy, helping your body return to its optimal masculine state without synthetic drugs or harsh chemicals. Whether your issues are related to low desire, performance problems, or lack of energy, Emperor's Vigor Tonic works from the inside out to restore balance and reignite your confidence. If you've been feeling frustrated, tired, or disconnected from your partner, Emperor's Vigor Tonic was made exactly for that. No more relying on temporary fixes. This is a natural long-term solution that targets the root causes. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Emperor's Vigor, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Emperor's Vigor for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Emperor's Vigor to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You may start noticing improvements in the first few weeks, but most people get better and more lasting results after 2 to 3 months of consistent use. Also important for you to know, Emperor's Vigor has no side effects since it is 100% natural. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Emperor's Vigor Tonic from. And remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Emperor's Vigor Tonic actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of men around the world.